you cannot use TikTok anymore. Huh? Di ba TikTok already? Hi, ma'am, sir. Thank you for having me here to apply to your job. My strength and weakness, sir. I only know how to edit in CapCut and post it on TikTok, and I speak Ilocano, sir. That's it. I have to look for a job now. Ay, okay nam TikTok, paasa ka. Panak ko magbirok ti trabaho ko nga maanan. Nagsubli kami din. TikTok! Ay, sayang ko 100k followers ko ta TikTok. Shit! Okay na nakidig. Ang ganina lanapan ni Jay Corte ta. Pagsawsaw ako nga di mang banta TikTok. Hindi.